Hi there, this is Chikitan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. For today, I'd like to share with you on how to become a people person. Whether you like it or not, it's not natural for people, so for some people to become a people person. May mga iba talaga talagang life of the party. When they step in, talagang the sun will shine even though it's raining inside inside the place, no. Pero pagpasok niya talagang liliwanag talaga. Pero para sa iba nga, hindi nga madali na ika nga makipagkaibigan sa ibang tao. Yung tipong naiilang sila kapag nakipag-ugnayan o nakipag-usap man lang. Para sa kanila, para silang mga diesel na hirapan bumuelo na hindi mo alam kung saan sila mag-uumpisa. But becoming a people person or being sociable isn't easy probably for some, but it comes naturally to other people. For some people who are introvert, talaga magiging malaking challenge yan. There are people na ika nga pag kinausap mo nahihiya, kung nakinausap mo minsan nadyajahe. Kaya nga very very important na for us to understand also na marami rin namang ika nga pakinabang kung ikaw magiging isang people person. Like for example sa profesyon ng pagiging isang politician, isang bank manager, isang speaker at marami pang iba. So wag kang mangamba, ako din ay isang napaka-private personal na tao na private. When you say private, really? Na yes, before talagang nahirapan din ako makipag-relate sa mga tao because I only talk to myself. May mga iba nga sinasabi sa akin kaya ko daw magpa-party na ako lang ang kasama. That was before. Pero I realized that I need to improve on my personality, and especially in the field of public speaking, I need to become one. So I would like to share with you some sample guidelines that really help me to achieve on how to become a people person. Number one, be approachable. Drop the face of saying na, ay nako, I had a bad day, masamang araw ko, wag mo ko lalapitan, ha? Hindi, pikon ako ngayong araw na ito. So, instead of saying that, no, we just need to be, again, conscious by saying, what can I do for you? What can I help for you? What can I help you with? No? Once a person comes into the room, ang dapat nakikita natin na may placard sila, invisible placard na, make me feel good today. So, ika nga pakiunat lang ng konti ang ating mga noo at bigyan ng konting smile. Okay, smile. Lang gano'n. At maari kung may pinagdadaanan ka, iiwan mo muna sa labas ng bahay. At the same time, ikaw ay pumasok na nakangiti. Okay? Sino naman ang walang pinagdadaanan? Lahat naman tayo, di ba? So, the last thing that you want to be perceived is you are not an approachable person. Na masungit ka, na parating ika nga para kang hindi pwedeng kausapin at parating kang galit, no? So this will close the communication lines instead of opening the communication lines. So aside from be approachable, number 2, when you approach people, second tip is be sincere. Hindi sapat na approachable lang tayo, dapat sincere din tayo sa ating ginagawa. Pwede ka nga maging approachable, pero pag hindi ka naman sincere sa iyong smile, sa iyong ginagawa, malata ka rin. Remember, people can see behind those acts. Malalaman din nila kung talagang tunay ba yung ginagawa mo or talagang pakitang tao lang. So, parang pag kinausap mo isang tao, don't think na ano yung makukuha ko sa kanila. Pag nakausap mo isang tao, ang tatanungin mo sarili mo, anong maibibigay mo sa kanila? What can you give to them? How can you make them feel good? How can you make them feel welcome? Be sincere in what you're doing. Ang pagiging people person is not a gift, but it's actually a skill. Kailangan lang mag-practice. So you need to take this one day at a time, step by step, para ma-practice po ang pagiging approachable po natin, pagiging sincere po natin. And then, the best way for you to practice is practice with your relatives and with your friends. Diba yung mga malalapit sa ating buhay, doon muna tayo mag-umpisa. In that way, yung community po natin ang makikinabang sa ating magiging people person. No? And then last but not the least, my suggestion is be intentional. When you say be intentional, hindi natural sa atin ang ngumiti. Diba? Pagpasok mo sa elevator, tingnan mo, walang tao nakangiti, minsan lang, di ba? Pero pag ngumiti ka sa loob ng elevator, lahat ay ngingiti, di ba? Ikaw rin ang mag-initiate na makipag-usap. Ikaw din ang mag-initiate na makipagkaibigan. Kaya kung gusto mong matutunan itong skill na ito, kapatid, makinig ka, umeffort ka, effort talaga tayo. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga yan. Diba? Ching, hindi naman ako ganun Bakit di naman? Oo. Well, kahit di tayong ganun. Kung gusto mo talagang matuto, talagang gagawin mo. Diba? May kasabihan tayo. Kung gusto, gagawa ng paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Tatandaan mo. Ito I'll close with this. Walang taong gustong yung makap sa mga taong cactus. Diba? Kung cactus ka, people will stay away from you. People get hurt, diba? People don't want to hug a cactus. But people would love to hug a stuffed toy that looks like a teddy bear. Diba? Dapat maging teddy bear ka. Huwag kang maging cactus. So, very, very important that we try to our very best. Again, 3 things. Number 1, be approachable. Number 2, be sincere. And number 3, be intentional on how to become a people person. I hope this short session is able to enlighten you and help you to guide you kung paano pwede natin mag-level up sa ating personality. And then, believe me, pag nag-improve ang iyong personality, mag-i-improve din ang iyong networking at connection sa ibang tao. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink positive.